Here's a question that might sting. Are you building your career on a tool that's already past its peak? Think about it. Selenium was revolutionary, but it's showing its age. Meanwhile, Playwright with JavaScript is rewriting the future of automation testing. Here's the wow insight most testers don't realize. Playwright was created by the same engineers who built Puppeteer at Google. That means it was designed to solve the exact gaps that Selenium struggled with for years: speed, flakiness, cross-browser headaches. With Playwright, you can spin up parallel tests effortlessly, emulate mobile devices, and even handle API requests, all in one framework. That's like carrying a Swiss Army knife instead of 3 different tools. And let's not forget JavaScript. Companies don't just want testers anymore. They want SDET style engineers who can blend in with the development teams. Since modern apps are in JavaScript, being able to test in the same language makes you way more valuable. Here's what's happening right now. Recruiters are scanning resumes and prioritizing candidates with Playwright knowledge. Not because Selenium is irrelevant, but because the market is shifting forward. If you're stuck only on Selenium, you're running yesterday's race. Think of it like this. Kodak once dominated cameras, but they ignored the rise of digital and got left behind. Don't be the Kodak of testing. Be the innovator who adapts. So let me ask you, are you still stuck polishing your Selenium skills while others are jumping ahead with Playwright? Comment below. I choose Playwright if you want me to share full details about my Playwright with JavaScript course. And hey, don't forget, for more game-changing automation insights, follow right now.